What's up guys, Wellesley here, back again with another video. Today's video, I am reviewing another Yu-Gi-Oh product. I just picked up 2 tucker boxes for the Yugioh Quarter Century Stampeade packs. They're here right now in front of me. And these are what they look like. They actually look pretty cool. Today I'm gonna open these and see what I get. So I'm just gonna stick them over here and open up. And apparently you get 3 packs in each one. So I'm just gonna open up both of the tucker boxes. Here they are, all 6 of the packs. And now we're gonna open it, so tap for good luck, and let's go. So we have Peter, the Fire Charmer Ablaze, Link into the Vrains, that's pretty cool. Atlantean Heavy Infantry, Live Twin Leela, and Mantail Abyss Spike. So far, so good. I heard there's some cards I might want in this pack. So let's see if I can get it. Destructive Durama Karma Cannon. That's pretty cool. Dark Magician Girl. Nice. Look at that. That's so cool. Terraforming. Amphibious Swamp Ship Elbow Whale, and Lunar Light Leo Dancer. Vampire Soul Caesar Valius, Gaga Magician, okay, Danger Tsuchinoko, Door, and Chamber Dragon Maid. So far so good. I'm liking the lineup. It's pretty decent. Super Starslayer Typhon Sky Crisis. Oh, no way, I actually pulled that. I said to my friend, I wanted to pull this card, and look what happened. Another Dark Magician. Another Swamp Ship. Evil Twins Kishin and Leela. And Trapchick Sarah. Splash Mage, No Punk, oh no way, Crimson Dragon, that's cool, Apprentice Illusion Magician, and Lunar Light Tiger. And last pack for Destiny. Let's go. Goaty of the Deep Beyond, Wind Witch Ice Ball, 7th Ascension, Transaction Rollback, and Gilding Quem the Virtuous. Alright, so that's all the cards there. They're looking pretty cool. Crimson is pretty cool. Having another Dark Magician, this card, Azure, Gaga Magician, another Dark Magician girl. So far, this pack is awesome. I love this. This is awesome. This is like, you know, decent. And I was hoping to get a Blue Eyes White Dragon, but that didn't happen. But maybe next time, maybe I'll get something better. And it is just a opening of 2 of the tucker boxes. If you guys haven't subscribed, you should subscribe because I'm close to my 300 subscribers. And I've got another special video coming up at the end of the month, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I see you guys in the next one. Peace.